Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Workplace tutorials. Today we're learning more about a feature you'll use frequently, the leave request function. Whether you need a day off, are unwell, or have any other reason, here's how to apply for these using leave requests in Workplace. Let's dive right in. The leave request feature is part of Workplace's employee self-service suite. This means you can request different types of leave yourself and no longer need to visit HR or fill out paper forms. It is available on both the web-based application and the Workplace mobile app. Let's look at the web-based option first. Employees with access to the feature log into Workplace, go to the Time and Attendance module, and click on Leave Request. This will open the Leave main page, where you will see a history and details of existing leave requests, like type of leave, total days, status, and follow-ups. To add a new request, click the blue Add button at the top right. On the request form, choose the type of leave you need. Doing so will show you more details such as validity and remaining leave days. Keep in mind that the options and leave balances you see may be different in your company and depend on your internal policies. Some leave types may also open additional mandatory fields. For example, a sick leave can ask you to attach a doctor's certificate. If you are still within your leave balance, you have to select the dates next. Workplace allows you to request leave by the hour, so you only use what you need. Add any remarks or attachments to support your request. Once you're done, you can do 3 things with the request. Firstly, you can save it as a draft for later use. Secondly, you can or click Preview Approver to review who will see your request. And thirdly, if everything looks good, you can submit it by clicking Send to Approver. You may encounter that you cannot request leave days. This happens when a company leave policy doesn't allow employees to go over their balance or period expiry. The system will alert you to this case, and you need to check in with your HR team. Another special occurrence is extra day off, which is used for overtime compensation. In this leave type, the balance dynamically changes depending on accumulated overtime hours and company policies when those hours become a day off. Your second option to request leave is our Workplace mobile app. The request form, required fields, and process here are similar to the web version, but optimized for mobile use. After logging in, find the leave request function on the top under your name. Follow the same steps as before. Select your leave type. Set the date or time. Add remarks or documents, and draft or submit your request. With draft, you can edit the request and send it later. With submit, you will send it to approval. On the top right of the leave request form, you'll also find a handy Teammates Leaves feature, where you can view if your team members already have on certain days. This helps to avoid leave overlaps. Last but not least, should you not have access to the Workplace leave request, don't worry. You can still request leave through your supervisor or HR. They have special authorization and can use the Request For feature to submit a leave request on your behalf. And there you have it, our 3 simple methods that make submitting leave requests a breeze. Say goodbye to manual hassles and hello to streamlined efficiency with Workplace.